I spent about $1,100 on these 3 pair of sneakers, and I want you guys to let me know if I made the right decision or am I tripping. I'm the type of sneakerhead that's always on the lookout for a good deal, a bargain. And that's kind of how I ended up with these 3 collab Jordans. In my opinion, 3 bangers. Make sure you watch to the end of this video to see exactly what I picked up. Leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Comment what's your favorite or what was the biggest come up. First, we got a pair of Union Jordan 4s. These were listed at like $550. Obviously me, I got an offer, bro. I'm not just gonna buy it for the price you're selling it at. At the end of the day, you'll take less than what they're listed for. JB's head on the paper. Attention to details on these Union collabs is nuts, bro. But boom, we got the Off Noir Jordan 4 Unions. When I saw these listed at $550, I was already like, bro, that's a come up. Then I ended up offering $480. $490, $500. My final offer on eBay was like $505 or some shit. Buddy accepted for $505 plus ship for these Union Jordan 4s. Let me know if that's a W in the comments. Off Noirs is undoubtedly the best colorway Union did for the 4s. Some people like the guavas, but for me, the guava mangos aren't better than the Off Noirs. This black colorway is just easier to rock. You could wear it with more shit. It's so much better. I was a little sick that the tongue already came open. Knowing myself, I possibly would have done it. That was one of the things that turned me off from the sneaker initially. They ended up growing on me. I'm not gonna lie. I love the fact that I have these in my collection. I didn't have any Unions up till this point. There's no star loss, no heel drag. They were probably worn a couple times, so I'm really not tripping, bro. I saved myself 150 bucks. Shout out to FZ150, but low-key, I'm gonna use some FZ for these right here. Saved like $2 to $250 on this pair, and I'm gassed. I know if I wouldn't have found them at the price that I did, I would have never bought these. $520 for Union 4s, worn once or twice. Would y'all have bought them at this price, or did I overspend? Jumpman on the inside. That shit rubs away in like a couple wears. They even came with the extra lace and the hang tag. OG all, $520 shipped, no brainer, bruh. These go crazy. The last sneaker I picked up is probably the one that I'm most excited for. For now, let's stick with the theme of Union. I ended up getting the Union 2s. Y'all see the tag, it says $150. I honestly got them for cheaper, bro. I paid $125 plus 10 ship for these right here, the Raton colorway of the Union 2s. Don't know why people hated on it as much as they did. This is a sleeper, bro. It's still a Union collab. The attention to details that Union puts on a sneaker, it's all here. Maybe it's just cause 2s don't get no love. I'm gonna pull these out for y'all. I feel like this is a sleeper. They literally have the lace bags attached, bro. It's crazy that I got these for $135. DS. Shit is nuts because you get a lot of details on this shoe. The inside of it is literally leather. Union on the inside, leather guts on these. You get that tag on the side. This is definitely my favorite color out of the 2. This is more wearable than the blue one. Let me know if y'all disagree in the comments. Overall, solid shoe. I got these from Holy Ground. These were going for 150 bucks until I saved 25 during Memorial Day, bro. Come on, no brainer. Let me know if these were a clean pickup for that 135. Or is it an L? I feel like it's a come up, I'm not gonna lie, and that's all that matters. This last pickup is a banger. I got them for a steal too. Y'all already see the box. If you know, you know. Jordan 1 box for these. We got a pair of Travis Jordan 1 lows in the black Phantom colorway. Play no games like the NBA, throwing checks like the NBA. You a ring, we shooting shots like the NRA. Yeah. I got these bitches for a steal, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. I got them for $410 shipped. Shout out to the homies at Retroville, Gastonia. I'm gonna pop their shit up right here. Low key, they blessed me with this price, bro. Obviously, lightly worn once again. I'm gonna pull them both out. They come with the bandanas and everything. Travis Scott Jordan 1 low black Phantoms was my last pickup. This is actually my first Travis Scott Jordan 1 low. I'm excited to finally have a pair. This isn't my favorite colorway by any means, but I feel like now that I have them in hand, they're way better than the pictures, the videos, it doesn't do it no justice. You would think it's literally just an all black sneaker, but in reality, that white stitching make these shits pop like crazy. We do have both sets of laces as well. If I do want to change it, honestly, I'll probably just leave them with the black laces. Insoles still have the logos, no star loss, no heel drag, no issues with these at all. Shout out to Retroville Gastonia for blessing me with this pair right here. I saved myself like $2 to $2.50 buying these used. I honestly recommend anybody out there, bro, if you're gonna buy a pair of shoes and you're gonna wear them regardless, buy them used, bro. Like, y'all see clearly, I saved $2 to $2.50 on these, $2.50 on the Unions, and they're literally worn a couple times. Like, you can't even tell they're worn realistically. The whole moral of this video is that you should buy your sneakers lightly used, bro. It does not hurt. You're gonna wear them regardless. You could save yourself a decent amount of money, bro. Like, between all three shoes that I bought, I could deadass buy myself another pair of sneakers or keep $500 extra in the pocket, bro, just by making smart decisions. At the end of the day, we want the hype sneaker. I understand it. Just make sure you take your time. Don't impulse buy, because you could buy yourself $400 Travises or $500 Unions without having to spend that crazy ticket if they were new. Go in the comments right now and let me know what was your favorite pickup in this video, or just the biggest deal that you think I got. If y'all think these are stupid purchases, let me know in the comments as well. But for me, it's a come up, bro. I love all three pickups I had in this video, from the Union 2s to the Union 4s. Travises, come on, bro, it's a no-brainer. Definitely some heat. Let me know if y'all agree. But check out this video right here, because the UNC Jordan 1s are dropping soon, and I gave y'all an early review. Check that video out, and if y'all like that, leave a like on it so we could spread to more people. We're gonna keep dropping early content. We're gonna keep buying heat. If y'all are enjoying the content we've been putting out, make sure y'all show some love. And hey, I love y'all for life. Check out this video. I'm gonna catch y'all there. Peace.